These 7 digital products are quietly making people money every month. In today's video, I will show you the 7 digital products that are making money for beginners and how to start selling digital products online. I've made a free guide here that you can go ahead and download it to help you kickstart off your digital product business. I'll leave the link in the description. So our first digital product on this list, they are planners. Yes, they are planners. And planners, you can create planners and journals, or you can create a planner and a journal separately, or you can combine them and make a planner and a journal. So it depends on you if you want to combine them or make one of them. But in these types of planners, there are so many. Yes, a lot of people are creating planners, but what is going to separate you from the crowd? Creating the right planner that people want and picking the right niche. So there are so many planners, but if you come up with a good niche that people are interested in, people will buy your planners. And in these types of planners, you can create a daily planner. Some people create weekly planners. You can create gratitude journals, fitness planners. Yes. So it will depend on you on how you're going to niche down. You can create planners for kids. Yes, so it's that the what is going to separate you from others is how you are willing to niche this down so that people can feel touched to your digital product. For example, in this example, I'm going to show you a kids planner. Most people only focus on creating planners for adults, but some parents want to see their children learn how to be organized and learn how to plan for their week, for their days at school. So if you create a digital product that is focusing on kids, you'll be standing out in the competition because people are almostly creating planners for adults. So you can go ahead and create a planner for kids, a planner for moms, yes, a planner for maybe people who are into cooking, they are making recipes, maybe a plan that can help them to plan their recipes, and so much more. What is going to separate you in the digital product space? Niching down and finding who your audience is. Yes, so a lot of people are creating planners, but if you specify and you are not generic creating maybe planner, but if you can create something like a kids planner that is specific and it's targeting a certain audience, so you can jump onto that and create that as your digital product. And this is simple and easy to create. You can use Canva, you can use AI like ChatGPT for guidance to guide you on which planner you can go ahead and create. Yes, so you can use AI to help guide you on which planner that you can go ahead and create. So this is going to take us to our next digital product that we can go ahead and create, and it's going to take us to our next digital product that we can go ahead to create. Yes, and these are budget trackers. Yes, budget trackers, people love them for money. Everybody wants to know how they are spending because most people are working and they are wondering where is my money is going. But because they lack budgeting, they don't know how to budget for their money, for their expenses, and how to save. So this is where you come in. When you create a budget tracker, it's going to help people to budget out their money and to know what to use and what not to use, and to be careful on how to spend so that they can be able to save. So if you are creating budget trackers, then this is a good digital product for you. And if you don't know what a budget tracker is, this is how one looks like here. So you can go ahead and create these budget trackers. People will buy them. So you can create maybe budget trackers for businesses, for maybe stay at home moms who work from home. Yes, people who want to budget for their groceries, people who want to know how much they are going to spend on their food each month. Yes, so you can go ahead and create these budget trackers. You can also create budget trackers for business people who want to know how their business is earning and how their business is spending, so that they can track and know how much they have invested in their business and how much are they going to spend maybe on paying their workers. So that's how that works. Yes, so you can go ahead and jump on this and create this as your digital product. Then this is going to take us to our third digital product that we can go ahead and create. Yes, our third digital product that we can create, they are kids activity books, and under this you can create coloring books, puzzle books, word search books. Yes, and maybe story books if you want. Why I like these, they are so easy to create, and since I'm a parent, they give you that joy, like they make you feel creative. And there are so many things that you can create. You can create from storybooks, coloring pages, puzzle books, and so much more. And the parents are willing to buy this to help their kids. Some parents, maybe they stay and they work from home, so they want to be busy and work, but they have kids and kids are getting their way. So if they have these activity pages, it will be helping. The children will be focused on doing these fun activities, and the parent will get time to go ahead and work. Yes, so you can go ahead and create these activity pages. You can create tracing numbers, you can create shapes. There are so many of them that you can go ahead and create. So it will depend on you, which kid are you targeting, what do you want to create. Yes, and not only parents buy this, but also some teachers buy it for their classroom. So this is a good little product, and why I like it, it sells year round, because parents always want to keep their children busy year round, year in. So that's a good little product that you can go ahead and create. And this is going to bring us to our digital products number 4. Yes, our digital product number 4, these are AI books or AI prompts. Maybe if a person wants to use chat gpt and they don't know how to use, because nowadays so much AI is coming out, so you can't master chat gpt and you go master nano banana, you go master Gemini, you go master I don't know, there are so many of them. So you can't even finish all of them. There's AI which can make video, AI which can create, AI which can design blogs. So you can't master all of them. But why this digital product is so important, when a person creates these prompt packs, it helps you. You just copy this prompt, put it in the AI, and the AI will give you the result you want. Remember, AI is not a human being, so it can't be perfect. It will work according to what you have given it. Yes, so you can create products like this: AI business mega bundle, AI ebooks, AI prompt packs. Maybe if a person wants to use Nano Banana for creating coloring pages, but finding the right prompt that will give you the right image that you want can be sometimes difficult. So this is where you come in. You can create these prompt packs. You can create some people want now to use AI for business, so you can go ahead and also create things like that. And that's a good digital product that you can go ahead and jump on and start creating right away, because people are creating them. Then this is taking us to our digital product number 5, which is wedding and event templates, which include things like invitations, planners, checklists. Some people can create seating charts, and people are still in the business of getting married. So people will always need these things. They will need invitation cards, they will need menu cards, and so much more. And this is always booming year in and year round, because people want their weddings to look beautiful, because it happens once, not every day. So as you can see here, these are almost 1000 invitations. And don't worry, you don't have to create 1000 invitations as a beginner. You can start maybe with something small, and you can create them in a bundle. And why this are so much, because they're in a bundle. You can see like a baby shower invitation, a wedding invitation. So there are so many that people can buy and edit. So you can go ahead and create this. And when it comes to these wedding invitations, there are so many niches that you can dive in. You can dive in into baby showers. You can dive in into bridal showers. You can create birthday cards. So the way you can either choose to create wedding invitations or birthday invitations, or baby shower invitations, yes, or Christmas invitations. Easter invitation cards. So it will depend on you which one you want to choose, but you can go ahead and create these invitation cards. You can either niche down to go with the people who are looking for things for their wedding, or you can also go and say, for me, I'll create invitations for baby showers, or I'll create invitations for maybe Christmas, for Easter, because in those seasons people tend to buy more when it comes to holidays. So it can depend on you which one you want to go ahead and choose and start creating. So you can jump onto that. Yes, because it's also an evergreen niche. People will get married in winter, people will get married in fall, people will get married in summer, people will get married in spring. So that's also another digital product that you can go ahead and create. Then this is going to take us to our digital product number 6. And our digital product number 6, these are social media templates. And in this, you can be creating things like for Canva, for Instagram, and YouTube. So you can create templates that people can go in Canva and edit. Yes, and nowadays, because social media is everywhere, people always want to be at their best when creating a post. So if you are creating good and high catching social media templates, then people are going to buy them from you, because everybody wants to grow their business. So you can create these social media templates. As you can see, these are for Instagram. You can create for Pinterest. People want to pin on Pinterest, but they don't have the time to create everyday Pinterest pins. It can be hectic to create maybe pins for 1 week, but some people prefer posting pins maybe for 1 month. So it can be hectic, because me, I post on Pinterest for 1 week, so I have to create pins for a full week. Those are 7 days. And when it comes to Pinterest, Pinterest is a numbers game. So the more pins you create, the more chances are that you are going to be seen. So you can go ahead and create those social media templates for Pinterest, for Instagram, or maybe you can create thumbnails, people who want good and high catching thumbnails for their videos. So as you can say, good niche people, or it's already in 20 people's cards. So you can go ahead and choose any of these ideas that I am giving you. Then this is taking us to our digital product number 7. Our digital product number 7, excuse me, our digital products number 7, these are faith-based journals and planners. Yes, everybody wants to be spiritual, they want to know how they are connected to their God. Yes, and people always sometimes want to journal, maybe when they read their Bible or read their religious books, so they want to journal those things down. Some people want devotions that they can follow daily, maybe it's a yearly devotion, maybe a monthly devotion, or others like things like manifestation journals. So these faith-based digital products, they are always selling because people want it every day. Yes, and it's an evergreen niche, because people want these faith-based digital products in from January up to December. They are not seasonal. People want to be connected to their creator. Yes, and you can go ahead and create this as you can go ahead and create this as your digital product. For example, if we see this, maybe you can go ahead and create faith planners for kids, or you can create for moms, or you can create for Christian moms, for any people that you are targeting. So if you say want to create for kids, you can come up and create something like this prayer journals for kids, or you can create prayer journals for moms, for older people. So it will depend on you which one that you are choosing to go ahead and create.